Hey everybody, it's Neon. I am here at my game room, and we have a scuffer for our pool cues. So if you get a new pool cue or just need to scuff up your old one, this is for you. Let me open this up. I'll show you what we got here. So it comes like that. So this is to make the rounded edge, and then this is what scuffs up the end. So what you do is you take your pool cue. Oop, I've got some pool cues right here. So you do this, and then to make it rounded, this one here doesn't have a whole lot of tip left, but we'll get the idea. You just kind of squish it on there like that, scuff it up, and then that will round it up. And then this one here you can put on there, and it will scuff up the end there to make it so it'll get chalk on it. So then when you're doing your chalk, you can get a good rounded chalk base on it. So this is pretty cool. So if you need a little rounder for your pool cue stuff, this one here is really cool. Thumbs up, I like it.